Hello everyone, welcome to this video about trigonometry. In AS level exams, mostly questions are asked to prove identity and to solve the equations. So in this video, first we will revise the basic trigonometric identities and then shape and value of sine, cos, tan functions. Then later we will revise how to solve the equation. Okay. So the first we will see the basic trigonometric functions. So tan theta equal to sine theta divided by cos theta. So this is one identity. Next is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay. From this we will get a cos square value. Cos square theta is 1 minus sine square theta, or we can write sine square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, and we will write 1 minus sine square theta or 1 minus cos square theta also equal to 1 plus sine theta multiplied by 1 minus sine theta. It is like a square minus b square formula, which is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Okay, similar to that one. Next, we will see the three graphs. First, we will see the sine graph. The sine graph will be like this for the value of x from 0 to 360. Okay, suppose if they have given a expression like solve sine x equal to off. Okay, so use the calculator to find the value of sine of, which is nothing but 30. Okay, and in order to find the solution of that function sin x equal to off, okay, so draw a line here. See, and to find the value, find the solutions of that, mark the points where it crosses the curve, sine curve. Okay, and this is 30. Okay, and this point is, because the curve is symmetrical curve, we can say it is 180 minus 30, that is 150. Okay, similar to that one, we can calculate for cos also. So for cos also we'll take off. Suppose the function is cos x equal to off. Draw the line. Okay, the solutions are where the line intersects the curve. Okay, use the calculator to find the cos 1 over 2 value, that is 60 degree. Okay, so this value you can get, okay, from 0 to this point it is 60. So from 360 to this point is 360 minus 60, that is 300. So 360 minus 60 here. Okay, similarly we can find out for tan also. Suppose let's take a function tan x equal to 1, and we know x equal to 45. For that value we get tan as 1. Tan 45 is 1. So okay, so here draw a line. So the point of intersection is the solution. So this is 45, and this we can say from 180 to this is 45. Okay, so 180 plus 45. 45 and 180 plus 45. These are the two solutions. And provided the x lies between 0 to 360, in that range, these two are the solutions. Okay. And next, let us see the quadrant. I hope you know. This is the first quadrant, all, sine, tan, and cos. Okay. So in first quadrant, all the values are positive. Sine, cos, tan, everything is positive. And in the second quadrant, only sine is positive, all other are negative. In the third quadrant, only tan is positive, all other are negative. And the fourth quadrant, only cos is positive, all other are negative. Okay, you can remember this. This is how we used to remember this, all silver teacups. Okay, and let us see how to solve cos x by using this quadrant. Cos x equal to 1 over 2. We know the value is 60. Draw a line for 60. Okay, so we'll be getting something like this. This is 60 and this is also 60 and this is 60. This is also 60. Okay, so now the expression is given as cos x equal to 1 over 2, and we know cos x is 1 over 2. That is cos 60 is 1 over 2. Okay, and because of is positive, the value of x is going to be in the first and the fourth quadrant. So here, first and fourth quadrant, because in the first and fourth quadrant only cos is positive. Okay, so from here take the angle clockwise 60 degree. Okay, so you'll get 60. Okay, one more angle you have to get from 360. This is 360 also. Go in the clockwise. This is in the anti-clockwise. So you'll get 360. Okay, minus 60. So that is 300. So the solutions are 60 and 300. And similarly, we'll take cos x equal to minus 1 over 2. For this expression, we will be getting answer in the negative quadrant, like in the second and the third quadrant. Okay, so we are supposed to get the answer here and here. Now see the angle. Okay, and negative 1 cos inverse of negative 1 over 2 is 120. So from here it is 120 in the anti-clockwise direction. So in the clockwise direction from here to here, this is 120. Okay, this can be written as 120 and 360 minus 120. So 240. Okay, so the solution for cos x equal to 1 minus 1 over 2 is 120 and 240. Whereas for cos x, it is 60 and 300. And next, we know the angles represented, the angles are represented in degrees. Okay. Alternatively, it can be measured in radians also. Okay. Radians are normally quoted in pi. So you must be familiar with the radian as well as the degree conversion. So if in the question it's asked in radians, you have to do the calculation in radians, and if it is in the degrees, you have to do in the degrees, and if they use the symbol pi, then it is in the radians. Okay, so let us know how to convert radians to degree. Radians to degrees. Multiply the given radian value by 180 and divide it by pi. Okay, so you'll get the answer in degrees. And similarly, from degrees to radians, degree value is divided by 180 and it is multiplied by pi. Okay, this is how we will convert from radian to degree or from degree to radians. Okay, let's look into some of the identities questions from the past paper. The first question is, show that tan theta divided by sine theta minus sine theta divided by tan theta is equal to tan theta sine theta. Okay, so in this kind of questions, show that, prove that, always try to take the complex expressions. Like mostly it will be given on the left hand side only. So try to take the left hand side expression and reduce it, simplify it, so that you will get the right hand side expression. Okay. So tan theta can be written as sine theta divided by cos theta. So sine theta by cos theta divided by sine theta minus sine theta divided by sine theta cos theta. This can be written as sine theta divided by cos theta sine theta minus sine theta divided by sine theta cos theta. Okay, cos will go to the numerator. So you can cancel sine, and here also sine. So you'll get 1 over cos theta minus cos theta. Okay. Now take the common denominator. So you'll get 1 minus cos square theta divided by cos theta. Okay. We know sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. From that, we know 1 minus cos square theta equal to sine square theta. So this can be written as sine square theta divided by cos theta. Okay. Sine square theta is nothing but sine theta multiplied by sine theta. So with 1 sine theta, we will combine the cos theta so that we will get a tan theta. So combine this one. So we'll get tan theta sine theta. So which is our required expression. So we showed that this expression is equal to tan theta sine theta. Okay. So the next question is, prove the identity sine theta divided by sine theta plus cos theta divided by sine theta minus cos theta equal to tan square theta plus 1 divided by tan square theta minus 1. Okay, we will take the left hand side expression to prove the right hand side. Okay, so this is the A part of the question. Using common denominator, we will take sine theta cos theta, okay, plus cos theta multiplied by sine theta minus cos theta. So we are taking this as a common denominator. So sine theta is multiplied by sine theta minus cos theta plus cos theta is multiplied by sine theta plus cos theta. So sine square theta minus sine theta cos theta plus sine theta cos theta plus cos square theta divided by the denominator. So sine theta plus cos theta multiplied by sine theta minus cos square theta is nothing but sine square theta minus cos square theta. I hope you remember this identity. This two get cancelled. So sine square theta plus cos square theta divided by sine square theta minus cos square theta. Okay, we have to prove this is equal to tan square theta. So we will try to get the tan theta. So what we can do here, divide each and every term by cos square theta. So you will get sine square theta divided by cos square theta. So which is nothing but tan square theta. And this cos square theta divided by cos square theta, it get cancelled. You will get plus 1. So sine square theta divided by cos square theta minus cos square theta divided by cos square theta. Okay, so this is nothing but tan square theta plus 1 divided by tan square theta minus 1. Okay, so we got the result. Okay, hence find the exact solution of the equation. So this expression, okay, what we derived now, this expression is equal to 2 and theta value is given, it lies between 0 to pi. So be part of the question. So we'll take the answer from our previous section. Tan square theta plus 1 divided by tan square theta minus 1 equal to 2. So now cross multiply this one. So you will get tan square theta plus 1 equal to 2 tan square theta minus 2. Okay. Now bring all the tan square theta into one side and the numbers into other side. So you will get tan square theta equal to 3. So tan theta is equal to plus or minus square root of 3. And we had to find theta value. So theta is equal to tan inverse of plus or minus square root of 3. Okay. And it's given theta is between 0 and pi. So for tan inverse of minus square root of 3, it gives minus pi over 3, and tan inverse of plus square root of 3 is pi over 3. Okay. So we have to find the possible solutions. The first value minus pi over 3 is not within the range. So you have to ignore that answer. Next answer is pi over 3. This is within the range. Okay. And we have to check any other possible values are there within that range. Okay. From this you will get pi minus pi over 3 equal to 2 pi by 3. Okay. So actually plus, and in this case pi minus, okay, already we did minus, this is plus, so 4 pi by 3, which crosses the limit, so we are ignoring this one, this also. Okay, so the answer is theta is equal to pi over 3 and 2 pi over 3. Okay. So the next question is, now we are actually solving the equation by first obtaining a quadratic equation in cos theta. Solve the equation tan theta sin theta equal to 1. Okay, but in the given equation there is no cos theta at all, but they are asking to form a quadratic equation in cos theta first. Okay, so what we will do for tan theta, first we will submit sin theta over cos theta, and then we will simplify it. Okay, so tan theta is sin theta by cos theta multiplied by sin theta equal to 1. Okay, so this is nothing but sin square theta equal to cos theta, and we want an expression, we want a quadratic equation in cos theta. So for sin theta also we will substitute in terms of cos theta. So sin square theta is nothing but 1 minus cos square theta, which is equal to cos theta. Okay, now bring all the term into one side. So you will get cos square theta plus cos theta minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, now we got a quadratic equation in cos. So to find the solution, possible solution, we will write cos theta equal to, we will use the quadratic formula. B values 1 minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 minus 4, A is 1 and C is negative 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 1. So negative 1 plus or minus 1 plus 4. So square root of 5 divided by 2. So theta is equal to cos inverse of minus 1 plus or minus square root of 5 divided by 2. Okay. So for this, the possible values are, you will get cos inverse of minus 1 plus square root of 5 over 2 as 51.8. Okay. So here the theta value is given. It's between 0 to 360 degrees. Okay. So the next value, positive value, will be 360 minus 51.8. So which is equal to 308.2. So theta is equal to 51.8 and 308.2 degrees. The next question is solve the equation 8 sine square theta plus 6 cos theta plus 1 is equal to 0 for theta less than or equal to 0 less than or equal to theta less than or equal to 180 degree. Okay, so first we have to convert everything into one function like sine theta or cos theta or tan theta, like that. Okay, so here we have sine and cos both mixed, so we will convert that into cos function now. So we know sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So 8 multiplied by 1 minus cos square theta plus 6 cos theta plus 1 equal to 0. So it can be written as minus 8 cos square theta plus 6 cos theta plus 8 plus 1 is plus 9 equal to 0. Okay. If you multiply each and every term by -1, this x square term will become positive. So you will get 8 cos square theta minus 6 cos theta minus 9 equal to 0. Now we can find out the cos theta value by using a quadratic formula. So minus b, already minus is there, so it will become plus or minus square root of b square is 36 minus 4 multiplied by 8 multiplied by -9 divided by 2 multiplied by 8. So you will get 6 plus or minus 36 and the entire term will become positive and square root of that gives 18 by 16. So this is equal to -3/4 comma positive 3/2. This is cos theta value. Okay. So theta can be cos inverse of -3/4 or cos inverse of 3/2. Okay. So cos inverse of -3/4 gives value as theta value as 138.6. So the next question is alpha value is given. Alpha is equal to cos inverse of 8/17. Find 1 over sine alpha plus 1 over tan alpha. So alpha is equal to cos inverse of 8/17 can be written as cos alpha equal to 8/17. We know cos value, cos alpha equal to 8/17. How to find a sine alpha and tan alpha? Okay. First, let us draw a right angle triangle. And if this is alpha, cos theta is nothing but adjacent side over hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is 17, adjacent side is 8. So now we have to find out the opposite side. And this is a right angle triangle, so we will be using the Pythagoras theorem to find out the opposite side value, which is nothing but 17 square minus 8 square equal to 15. So this side is 15. Okay. Now 1 over sine alpha. Sine alpha is nothing but 15 over 17 plus 1 over tan alpha is 15 over 8. So this can be written as 17 over 15 plus 15. So which is equal to 25 over 15 or 5 over 3, which can be written as 1, 2 upon 3. Okay. So this is the value of the given expression, 5 over 3 or 1, 2 over 3.